मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, जिंदगी का हर पहलू इम्तिहान होता है। डरने वालों को कुछ भी नहीं मिलता जिंदगी में, लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता है। हेलो एवरीवन, इट्स मी फरहत रहमान in front of you from the most renowned institution is none other than English Cafe, whose mentor is Mr. Tehseen Raza, and we are gathered here to discuss on a very generic topic on the lockdown experience. Yes, the lockdown experience, and also how our lifestyle affected and varies before and after the pandemic situation. So guys, we really aware that on 22nd March 2020 the lockdown was enacted due to the effect of coronavirus, and really it was a very difficult period to tolerate with this, because not only our country India fight with this but also the entire world. And how much we face the problem, we can't say by any single sentence or by any single lines. We can't explain the pain who have lost their beloved ones during the pandemic situation. We can't explain the pressure who had a greatest responsibility regarding their family during the pandemic situation. We can't explain the emotion who had traveled for a mile from 2 to 3 months and also lost their life during the mile. We can't explain the pressure, we can't explain the pain who have lost their job and become unemployed during the pandemic situation. But we are Indians and we always found a way to live our life, and we very well know that every problem gives us a beautiful lesson. Likewise, we learn many things from this pandemic situation. As for example, we learn health is wealth. We learn to practice gratitude. We learn to nurture our relationships. We learn to sustainable lifestyle and so many things. So guys, let's initiate our discussion from Swarnim.
So first of all, I would like to tell what is lockdown. So lockdown means the city or a region where everything is closed and only the few essential items are allowed. So, and then after, I would like to thank the Corona warriors, everyone, that is the doctor, nurses, at the administration system and everyone. So being a graduation student, I would like to share my experience. So at the very first stage, I was initially very much happy that the lockdown imposed, and we have an as life during that time, enjoying all the day. So but as we all know that every topic or everything has some pros and cons and disadvantages and advantages. So the lockdown has also some advantages and disadvantages. So moving towards the first advantage, that is the quality time with family. So we have got much time with our family. We get much closer with our family. So if we can see the current scenario, we are much closer with our family. So the people who are thinking that we are stuck at home, actually we are not stuck at home, we are safe at home. So I would like to ask from you, Dipankar, what about your experience during the lockdown?
If I'll talk about my family and all, the first thing is that in family they have most of the people had got the opportunity to spend their time with their family. With this, they have came to know that what is the actual bond of a unity between the family, we called it.
Yeah.
Not only this, if I will talk being as a student, if I talk about my personal experience as a student, what student have got their advantages from the lockdown. First thing is that most of the student they are having lots of skill, but
Yes.
due to lack of time and all, means due to busy schedule,
They are not implementing
yes,
them
they
on
are means what
themselves.
skills they have, they are not
Aware
spending,
of that.
they are not spending more time, or they are not giving more time in their particular skills. So Vidhan, what your experience related with the lockdown means, with your being as a student, what skills you have developed during the lockdown and all?
See, as a student, I was studying in standard 9, and you can say that during lockdown, I had a lot of time to spend on my extracurricular activities. You can speak like apart from studies, like apart from daily schedule, busy schedule of studies, whole day studying the school and coming back home, then tuitions and then homeworks. Apart from this, I had a lot of time in the lockdown, and when I had a lot of time in lockdown, then I had nothing to do, because we used to attend online classes, and I used to do multitasking. Means I used to attend the classes and used to do different things such as eating at the same time. So I had a lot of time with me, and at this very time I had nothing to do. So I started to think what I can do, and then I got an idea to write something. So I started to write, and at this very time, in this very period, I started to write. Now I got to know that I'm very good at writing. I wrote poems and stories, which I loved a lot. I myself loved it, and I showed to my parents and my teachers. They also loved it. I was not knowing that I am a good writer, and I came to know about this during lockdown, as I had a lot of time. So I was able to enhance my extracurricular activities and skills. And I think most of the students and other people, you can see now in lockdown, a lot of YouTube channels has been introduced new in YouTube. And what do they teach? And some are from education.
Yes,
and,
what in your the points what you have mentioned
Yeah.
in the conversation or in the discussion, the point you have used most of the time is about the technology. Means we have gone through
Yeah.
online classes and all. Do you think that online classes was really beneficial for you during lockdown?
Yes, correct. Yeah, you're correct.
No.
It was beneficial for
Here
me.
also I would like to join my point that being a teacher, I faced some kind of problem when I was taking the class. That time students do not concentrate their study. They only switch on the video and they move away.
Yeah.
And they don't interact the teacher also. They don't know what we are actually learning. They don't
Yeah.
know how to learn. It means that they don't know about the chapter also.
Yes,
Yes.
that
Now
is
I
of
am
course.
now this time also I am taking offline classes.
Yes.
And 10 12 students are coming, and that time I asked that did you learn this chapter, do you know about the content of this chapter? They said that no ma'am, nothing, I don't know about that, what is actually in this chapter. So please once again you describe it.
Yes,
So,
ma'am,
yeah.
you're very. Yes,
Yeah.
I agree with the statement. You're correct. That students who were good at studies, it was very good for them. That
Yes.
they had a lot of time to focus on the studies. But students who are poor at studies, and they during lockdown, they were not in online classes. They just joined the classes, and they used to do other activities like playing games,
Yes.
because smartphones offer multitasking in the screen, in a single screen. Yeah. And if you see that in offline classes, if the student doesn't study in the school or in the class, then teacher can force the student to study.
So Vidhan, in your perception, the online classes means the environment student what actually they require was not provided during the online classes and all. Do you agree with my point?
Yeah, for the poor, for the students who are not good at studies, for
Yes.
them, because they need someone who always force them to study. Because
Guide.
they
But
will not
also
study by
who
their
guide them.
Listen, the point which you have mentioned that one who all are concentrating. Do you think that if I'll
But I think here the students who are good in studies, they are scoring good marks in
Yes,
online.
yes.
But the students who are bad in studies, they are also scoring good marks.
if you will
Yeah, because
Yeah.
if you will talk
Yes.
about the ratio about a good student and a poor student or a average student, I mean from your perception, what percent you will give a good student out of 100?
for what? That how they
And during lockdown,
How many
means
good
they were
students are there?
concentrating towards their studies. What about Suresh? What about your suggestion, Suresh?
As a, but if you're talking about the percentage and all, but these students who were the backbenchers in the offline classes, they started developing their skills.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, they started developing their skills. They started learning the English language online. They started using the Korean apps. They started many things. They started thinking globally. They started how much our
During lockdown,
yeah.
they means they learn different kinds of languages as
Yes.
well. They learn foreign languages like French, German, and all.
Yeah, they just started taking interest about the what I can say other countries.
Yes.
They started the
And also every coin has two faces and something have some pros and cons. So we can say that it is also beneficial for those students who are totally dependent on the paid tuition. Okay. And do you know already know that the paid tuition is not possible for all of these students, especially in rural areas. So we can say that the more digitalizations helps those students who cannot afford the paid tuitions, and they can use the YouTubes and most of multi platforms which is provided as as I can say that an academy or physics wala platform. So like that, this kinds of platform helps the students
in
most.
In YouTube's
Yeah.
there are some tutors as well.
Yes.
Who provides lectures and all.
free.
And
Yeah.
free lectures and all.
Yeah, of course.
Which was beneficial for the students who
Yeah,
are interested
that's the point.
towards the study.
Yeah,
And
that's
the main
the point.
thing I would like to add on this topic, that the state government, many of the state government just what I can say, distributed free taps and the
Taps and phones and all.
Yeah,
yes.
children.
especially in
They have
rural
arranged.
areas.
They have arranged a
Yeah.
cyber environment,
Yeah.
so that the rural side people, they can visit that particular place for their studies and all.
Yes.
And when I talk about the classes or the environment of the online class, the environment we don't get that offline environment in the online class. And when I talked about the adoption rate, the online class adoption rate is, in my perception, 50 to 60%. But the offline class adoption rate is 80 to 90%. And if we are stuck in anything, any chapter or any query we have, we can ask in the offline class. Likewise, we are doing
Yes,
here
yes,
also.
sir.
Yes.
Means
And
now we have discussed
switching towards the environmental condition
the
during the
environmental
lockdown.
condition in the lockdown.
As the I can say the climate started clearing itself.
Yes.
The Yamuna river, the Ganga river, no one has cleaned, but it automatically it has been cleaned.
What,
Okay.
yes, Suraj, the point which you have mentioned, if I'll talk about the pollution and all, means 500% sewage had decreased.
Yes.
That industrial influence had decreased in the river. Yeah, the Yamuna river. Many campaign, many scheme government has launched to clean that particular river. But during lockdown, within the 4 to 5 months, Yamuna has found
Yes.
that it means if you will compare from last 20 years, means that 20 years was the most cleanest year for the Yamuna.
And
Yeah.
talking about the air pollution, air pollution, Delhi was the main most polluted.
That is 545 ppm
But
pollution.
in lockdown, 20 to 30% of the ppm decrease there.
No, it was observed 230 or 245. The exact figure, if I'll talk, 230 to 245 ppm was recorded about the
If
pollution.
I talk about our health,
Yes.
during the lockdown we got much time for eating, and we made something different. It
Yes.
means that not only roti and sabji,
Yeah.
I made different things. So we ate lots of. I know that we did do something for health also. It means that we did yoga and everything. But on the other hand, we see that we ate too much.
And ma'am,
So
this is
because
the
of
lockdown
that-
effect only.
We can say it's a homemade junk
Yeah,
food.
yes, homemade
junk
homemade.
food.
It
You
was
can say that junk
healthy.
food.
It was
Yes.
healthy.
Yeah,
We
you
were
can say
making
that junk
momos.
food.
We were making the pani puris at the
Everything,
home. But
whatever it
yeah,
is.
that was healthy, homemade.
Yeah,
And
that's-
talking about the crime ratio of our country at COVID-19 pandemic, saying by the police official, ma'am, it has been reduced overall 80% during the COVID-19. Okay, so the violences against the women and the children has been
Reduced.
huge drop,
Yes.
and the child trafficking has been stopped. So you can
I agree with the
see
statement.
that, yeah.
I agree with the statement. But yeah, you're correct that due to about 80% of the crime ratio has decreased.
Yeah.
But apart from this, cyber crime has increased a lot.
Yeah.
You can see that during lockdown, many new cyber criminals has introduced themselves, and they used to track, they used to try and try to tap the mobile and try to hack and gain the password and.
I would also like to correlate that when there is loss of jobs and all, the people who have the nothing to for their livelihood, so starting doing the thieves and robberies and all. So this can also be the one of the disadvantage of lockdown.
Yes. There, and
Yeah,
apart
because-
from this, but thieves and robberies, you mentioned that one of people who get jobless and all.
Yeah, yeah.
But apart from thieves and robberies, they have we can see that there's a huge growth rate in the agriculture sector.
Yeah, because
They
people
were
returning
they were
back to-
having, when the people return to
India.
the hometown and all, especially the rural sites people, they started cultivating lands and all. In the agriculture field, they have spent their more and more times.
Yeah, and now if you talk about the economic of all over the world, if you talk about India itself, the economic of everywhere, economic growth has reduced a lot. Means it has decreased a lot. Actually, there's a straight line. It decreased. This was because that industries, businesses, all has been
Shut
closed.
down.
All has shut down.
Yeah,
So,
industries, agriculture, and this is we have means data has been recorded that there is a huge loss.
Yeah.
In this particular sector and all.
Yes,
And
you're correct.
Talking
about
and
GDP
switching
and
to
all.
switching to the migrants, the workers who were not allowed as daily wages workers.
Yes.
They were not allowed. They were not having the shelter due to the lack of job, and they were just traveling to their home. But the state government, many of the state government didn't give them the permission to allow to go to their home.
till
So,
Math
how
there was
suffering
no
that was?
transportation. Suraj, till
Yeah.
Math there was no transportation was allotted by the government. But just because of this, the people means the word isolation and quarantine
Yeah.
was
Yes.
at peak. Means the one who are not educated. I mean to say illiterate people also get aware about the word isolation and the quarantine as well. And due to this isolation and quarantine, people get frustrated. Some
They
people
get
went to the depression.
yes.
Some people they were due to stress and all. They finally decided that no, we will go to the railway station. We will self-drive the buses, and they started simply walking a mile and mile. This was the
But you
reason.
can see that about the workers I'm talking, that just think that without an food and without an shelter, how person were living in lockdown.
Yeah, and the work.
And what about the daily wages worker? You can
Yeah.
what the pain they have. They are working.
See,
Many
from
of them have
the
lost their life.
Yes.
from the pandemic situation, we can say that we realize that how much savage is important for us. Okay.
Just like Suraj, you mentioned the daily wages worker. So I just want to know what is the solution of it? Anyone have anything?
The solution, I can say the UP government